Yeah, there you go. So guys, trains there, and here we're at Marshbrook's level crossing in Shropshire. And yeah, it is in night mode. Yeah, it's in night mode. Down, down. Oh, I think there's a bit of a bang there. Don't know. Okay, time is now 21:14 on Saturday the 16th of September 2017. Crossing is down for our delay 2106, 1 Victor 64, Arriva Transwell service from Manchester Piccadilly to Cardiff Central, and also possibly for our delay, no not delayed, the 2117, 1 Whiskey 98, Arriva Transwell service from Cardiff Central to Llandudno Junction. And I hope you guys enjoy night mode as well. After this we're going to bed, aren't we?
Yeah, definitely.
There's Andreas and Thomas.
Hello.
They don't have YouTube channels, so I can't shout them out.
Not yet.
Get to YouTube and I will shout you out. Literally, I will give you a shout out if you do have YouTube. Yeah. Because them trains just hit 250.
Oh, good.
So this could probably be part of the 250 special.
Mm-hmm.
You can just see down there.
I guess it's just.
I hope you guys like night mode. There we go. Hang on, come over. You'll see it coming this way. I'm going to try and see if I can get. We'll try and catch the numbers. We might catch it on the back because of the floodlight. We've got 158,825. It was 158.
Wow.
Saw that actually on the on camp. It came past different, did we? Oh, there you go. Up they go. Are we going to Brayford? That's the question. There we go.
That was quick.
We might Brayford. I don't know. No, thanks guys. Next video.